Keto Omelette by using shaker. Hi, welcome back foodies and kitchen enthusiasts to another mouth-watering of our hometown food Malaysian cooking series. Today, we are turning simplicity into a culinary masterpiece as we delve into the art of making the perfect, easy fried egg. A dish so simple, yet so profoundly delicious that it's stable in every Malaysian Chinese home. And we are using the leftover egg from our previous episode, which is the fried chicken egg. Now, you might be wondering, fried egg, how can that be exciting? Well, my friends, get ready to be amazed as we unravel the secrets behind transforming these humble ingredients into a symphony of flavors that will dance on your taste bud. It's kind of magic that turns breakfast, lunch, dinner into an unforgettable experience by shaking the egg before cooking. Let's get started. First, gather the ingredients. We only need 3 main ingredients. This is our previous fried chicken SS eggs. It's about half of an egg. Then we already have some mayonnaise, which is around 1 teaspoon previously, and crack another 2 large fresh eggs inside. If you start from fresh, do not have any excess eggs, you just need to start with 3 fresh large eggs and 1 teaspoon of mayonnaise. In the meanwhile, heat up your frying pan with a bit of olive oil. Here's the game changer, the shaker method. This foolproof cooking technique will help you craft the perfect plain omelette every time, ensuring a fluffy and flavorful result. Next step, pour all the eggs inside the shaker. Weave together the mayonnaise. Secure the lid. And shake it like you mean it. This simple step incorporates air into the eggs, resulting in a light and fluffy omelette. Make sure the lid is extra secure to avoid any accidents while shaking. In fact, this shaker method, you can eliminate the need of extra bowls or whisk, making the entire process quick and easy. Give the bottle a good shake for about 20 seconds. Or you can see the bubbles popping out. Or all the ingredients should be mixed thoroughly by then. Once the hot pan is sizzling, pour in your shaken eggs, ensuring an even spread. Allow the omelette to cook for about 2 to 3 minutes or until the eggs start to set. Cover the pot and let it cook. You must be wondering what is keto, short for ketogenic. It's a low carbohydrate, high fat diet that encourages the body to enter a state of ketosis. In short, the body burns fat for energy instead of relying on carbohydrates. Ratios in keto diet typically include a high percentage of fats, a moderate amount of protein, and a low amount of carbohydrates. Back to our omelette. Let's check. It's still gooey in the center, making sure that it's spread across by tilting the pot or frying pan. Close the lid again to let it cook until there is not gooey in the center of the egg. Fast forward, open the lid. Watch the magic happens and the omelette begins to set and bubble up. Using a spatula or spoon, gently lift the edges of the omelette as it cooks. The original keto omelette, normally they will include some keto-friendly fillings like cheese, spinach, or mushroom, so you can include all these optional ingredients before you flip over the omelette. If you have too big omelette or with the fillings, what you can do is just fold into the half. Prepare a clean plate, open the lid. Once the edges start to set and the bottom is brown, that is where we know our keto omelette is ready to serve. Voila! Magic happens! Slide your keto omelette onto a clean plate, and you will see a fluffy, satisfying breakfast, lunch, dinner that is low on carbs, but high on flavor. Can't believe we have done it with shaker method. Serve it on its own or with your favorite toppings. Top up with coriander, avocado, plenty of choice. So let's not waste any more time. Grab your keto shaker and let's dive into crafting the perfect plant omelette using these innovative recipes. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more keto recipes, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for the next episode 4.